Hello viewers, let's continue our CodeChef series, and now we have to solve one more question on less than 500 rating, which is candy division. Okay, so there are three friends and total number of n candies. There will be a fight amongst the friends if all of them do not get the same number of candies. Okay, so there is given a story of three friends that they total having n candies, and if all of them is not getting the equal candies, then they fight. So you just have to divide the candies such that there should be no fight between them. So the input is first it is t, which is denoting the number of test cases, and the test cases consisting a single integer n, which is the number of candies. Okay, if you can able to divide amongst the three, then there will be no fight, and if it is not, then you just then it will be then there will be fight. Okay, so let's take an example here. The given test case is 4. The given test case is 4, and the 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, and 6. Okay, so you just have to check if you want to divide it, if you want to divide between the three friends, so the number of candies should be modulo 3 is equals to 0. Okay, if it is 0, then you just have to print yes, and if the modulo 3 is not equals to 0, then you just have to print no, means there will be fight between these three students, I mean friends. So let's do this. First you have to take int t, which is the number of test cases, and then cnt, which will take the input from the user, and then you have to use the while loop while t minus minus is greater than 0. Then you have to take the input, okay, which is n, and then c in n, and then you just have to check if n modulo 3 is equals to 0, then you just have to do cout yes. Okay, else if it is not, then you just have to do cout no. So I hope you understand this code. Yeah, I just have to use the endl, and then again I have to use endl. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.